Hello everyone, welcome to Country of World series. I am Vinod Kumar and in this video we know about Maldives. It is very beautiful island country, so we shall know about its past, its present and also its future. So in this video, for the sake of convenience, I will divide it into 5 parts. Or first part is name, location and geography of Maldives. Or second part is a brief history of Maldives, and our third part is Maldives opportunities and its challenges. Our fourth part is Maldives relation with India, and our final part is Operation Cactus and how Indian Army saved Maldivian democracy. So let's begin with our first part, name, location and geography of Maldives. The Maldive name derived from Sanskrit word Mala and Deep. Mala means garland and Deep means island. So literally Maldive means garland of islands and necklace of islands. The Maldivian people are called Maldivians. Likewise or similarly, the people of India called Indians. So you see in this globe, Maldives is south side of India in Indian Ocean. Official name of Maldives is Republic of Maldives. Like India's official name is Republic of India. The capital of Maldives is Malé and the currency of Maldives is Maldivian Rupiah. It is not Rupiah, it is Maldivian Rupiah. Official language of Maldives is Devli and official religion of Maldives is Sunni Islam. And parliament name of Maldives is Majlis, like Indian parliament name is Sansad. Maldives consists of almost 1200 coral islands grouped in 26 atolls arranged north to south direction spread over Indian Ocean. This is aerial photography of Maldivian islands. Maldives is South Asia's smallest country. It is also the smallest Muslim country of any in the entire world. It is part of Organization of Islamic Countries or OIC that headquarters located in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Maldives is also part of SAARC and it is founding member of SAARC. It is also lowest country of world in terms of elevation. So it is very vulnerable for climate change. Move forward. Our second part, a brief history of Maldives. As you saw in the name, Maldives come from Sanskrit, that means garland of islands. So the custom and people of Maldives were greatly influenced by Indian culture. Thereafter, Maldives developed their own language and cultural identity. The people of Maldives converted to Islam in 1153 AD and today it is Muslim nation guided by Muslim laws. 1965 Maldives gained independence from United Kingdom. Similarly, India gained independence from United Kingdom in 1947. 1976 Maldives settled their maritime borders and 1985 SAARC was established and Maldives is founding member of SAARC. That's headquarters is Kathmandu, Nepal. 1987 Comprehensive Trade Agreement was signed. Till date, there is no free trade agreement between India and Maldives. 1988 Operation Cactus was carried out by the Indian Army in Maldives and Maldivian democracy restored by this operation. In 2000, the UN body IPCC, that is Intergovernmental Panel of Climate Change, has warned that at current rate of sea level rise would be high enough to make Maldives uninhabitable by end of this century because Maldives is the lowest country of world. Its average natural level is 1.5 meters above the sea level and more than 80% of country's land is composed of coral islands. So Maldives is very vulnerable for Earth's coral sea level rise and polar ice melting. Or third part is Maldives opportunities and challenges. You saw in this map, Maldives located is here. So it is very strategic location in Indian Ocean. Trade route, oil trade route pass through this path in Southeast Asia. So it is a key highway for global trade and energy flow, especially oil exports. Tourism is the largest economy industry in Maldives. As you saw, this is the beautiful beaches of Maldives. The biggest challenges of Maldives is global warming and sea level rises. Because in end of this century, the 80% of Maldivian islands are inhabitable. Or fourth part is Maldives relation with India. After the Maldivian gained independence from United Kingdom, India-Maldives diplomatic relation established. Maldives is SAARC member along with India. So you saw this is Maldivian flag, this is Indian flag, and that time Indian Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh addresses Majlis, that is Maldivian Parliament. And our final part is Operation Cactus 1988, when Indian Army saved democracy of Maldives. So the story began 3rd November 1988. Coup was attempted in Maldives. The coup was carried out by Sri Lankan Tamil militant, the People's Liberation Organization of Tamil Ilm, on the behalf of Maldivian businessman Abdullah Latifi. So you know, People's Liberation Organization of Tamil Ilm is the rival faction of LTTE, or called LITTE, Liberation Tamils Tigers of Tamil Ilm. LTTE is that organization that assassinated Indian Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. So that time Indian Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi immediately dispatched 16,000 troops by air. Indian troops track it down and capture Abdul Latifi and its missionaries and restore Maldivian democracy. So it is very successful operation. Special things of this operation is there is zero casualty or no casualty of Indian troops or Jawans. India received international praises for this operation. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel. And finally, thank you and God bless you all.